In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Shopify account. First, let's talk about the ways you can sign up for a Shopify account. For most people, speed and efficiency are crucial. So if you're looking for the fastest way to get your account verified, you might want to consider using a social login option. Shopify allows you to log in through Google, Facebook, or Apple, and opting for one of these methods means your account will be automatically verified. This is particularly handy because it bypasses additional verification steps, allowing you to dive right into building your online store without delay. However, if you're using a regular email address to create your Shopify account, the process is a bit different, but don't worry, it's still quite straightforward. After you've gone through the initial sign-up steps on Shopify's site using your email, Shopify will send a verification email to the address you provided. It's important to keep an eye on your inbox, and sometimes you might have to check your spam or junk folders just in case the message lands there. The email will contain a link or a button that you need to click to complete the verification process. This step is crucial because until it's completed, some features of your account may be limited. Let's talk about why verification is important. Verifying your account not only secures your personal and business information, but also ensures that you have full access to all of Shopify's features. This includes managing payments, adding products, and customizing your storefront. So, whether you choose to sign up with a social account or verify through a traditional email method, the end goal is to have a fully verified account ready to connect with customers and grow your business. Now, if you're still setting up your account and are looking to streamline the process, using one of the social logins, Google, Facebook, or Apple, might be your best bet as it instantly takes care of the verification. This method not only saves time, but also integrates seamlessly with other apps and services you might already be using, making future access simpler and more secure. And there you have it. That's all you need to know about verifying your Shopify account. By choosing the method that fits best with your current setup, either a social login for instant verification or an email-based approach for more traditional verification, you'll ensure that your Shopify account is primed and ready for you to start building. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!